to...
We made it back to the mill. We all lived long enough. Good times, good times. It's time for me to put my money where my mouth is, right? So my buddy was like, I want to see a blade, I want to see where, a new blade versus an old blade. And I was like, what do you mean? They don't work? And he's like, I just want to see it. So here you go, Jody. This is for you, buddy. So, as God is my witness, here you go. Check it out. In case any of you think I'm lying. New blades, right? See? Brand spanking new shiny blades. Oh, yeah. And then old, tore, ragged, nasty blades, right? Look at this box. I mean, my gosh, right? How many blades you think been putting in and out of that sucker? And there's the blade we're in contention with right there. Right off the rip, folks. You want to protect your digits. Okay. So which one do you want to start out with? I think they'd want to see the new blade. Y'all want to see the new blade first? Okay. I need more pressure. That's good right there first. Wanted to show you all this, this in particular piece of wood. Look at the bow on this puppy. So I drug this off the firewood pit. And when you cut a log like this and that whole log goes, bonk, there's not a whole lot you can do with it. For the size of it, I could have pushed it down and cut it and then flipped it and pushed it down and cut it. It's a lot of work, but it's perfect for this. It's absolutely perfect. And it's hickory, by the way, so it's a nice, good hardwood.
Brand new blade.
Pretty. I wish it was straight. You all see it bow up at the end? Boing! It's under a lot of tension. So there you go. That's a new blade. You see a little bit of wave. Come around here, babe. Show them up underneath the light, up underneath there. You see it? But this, you got to keep in mind, this log is whacked. So, new blade. We got ourselves a banana log. Now for the old stuff. All right. There you go, folks. So that, right there, you're moving up. Here you go. See that mark right there? That means that that's where I started, so you know it's old. So I'm not cheating. I know you're all like, man, it's an awful lot of work. He's having to change these blades out all the time just for this video? Man, this guy's committed. Or needs to be committed. One of the two. All for you people. Hope you like it. So if you like this video, which I hope you do, hope you all get something out of it, check out our other videos. We got setting up an old sawmill. We have changing out the blade, when to change out the blade, milling, you know, efficient milling, stacking. I'm kind of trying to have a full set of videos to make, you know, not necessarily your old timers, but anyone breaking out and cutting their teeth in this line of work, this business, or a hobby, you know, kind of get them going. These are all things that I struggled with because I didn't have a grandpa in a milling business. You know, who does? A lot of your old timers are dead, you know, all the old mills are gone. And so, you know, there's a lot of teeth cutting here. So I hope this helps you all. Oh, and if you like it, do the whole thumbs up, subscribe thing.
Old blade.
Well, there you have it. I guess maybe this wasn't the best log in the world. Look at this stuff. But I think we got enough of a cut, especially off this end here, that we can show you exactly. Okay, so check it out. You got a little bit of saw marks there. The other one didn't have that. So the other blade did cut a little smoother. But you can see that, and then you can see where it started cutting and where it stopped cutting too, which is good. Now let's see how straight it is. And there you have it, guys. I mean, not a wave one. Ah, aren't you glad it worked out? That'd have been good, huh? Let's do a blade sharpening tutorial, and your log's like all jacked up. So that's awesome, awesome. Hey, be safe out there. Enjoy yourself. Until next time.